If you've ever found yourself staring at a slice of bread, wondering if eating it will sabotage your weight loss goals, you're definitely not alone. Maybe you've been told by friends, family, or even some diet experts that bread is the enemy, that carbs are the reason you can't lose those last few pounds, or that you should avoid anything white, fluffy, or delicious. It's a common story, one that's been repeated so often, it's easy to believe. But before you swear off sandwiches, pasta, or your favorite breakfast toast forever, you need to hear the real story about carbs. This video is for anyone who's ever ditched bread, skipped the pasta, or eyed a bagel with suspicion, all in the name of losing weight. Let's set the record straight and clear up the confusion once and for all. Here's a spoiler: carbs are not the villain you think they are. That's right, despite what you may have heard, carbs are not out to get you. In fact, the idea that carbs are inherently bad is one of the biggest food myths out there. It's time to bust this myth wide open and look at the facts, not the fear. So if you're ready to be surprised, keep watching because what you're about to learn might just change the way you look at your plate forever. Let's rethink carbs together. Here's the real deal. Carbohydrates are not the enemy. In fact, they're a vital part of a healthy, balanced diet. Carbs are found in so many of the foods we love: bread, rice, pasta, potatoes, fruits, and even vegetables. They're the foundation of countless delicious meals and happy memories, from family pizza nights to summer picnics and cozy breakfasts. But somewhere along the way, carbs got a bad reputation. Maybe it was the rise of low-carb diets or the popularity of keto and paleo trends. Suddenly people started fearing bread, skipping spaghetti, and feeling guilty for eating a banana. But here's the truth. Carbs are not just okay, they're essential. They give us energy, help us feel satisfied, and make our meals enjoyable. So, let's stop blaming carbs and start understanding them. Here's something your body wants you to know. It actually loves carbs. That's right, carbohydrates are your body's favorite fuel. Think of your body like a car. Just as a car needs gas to run, your body needs energy to move, think, and function. And carbs are the premium fuel your body prefers. When you eat foods like bread, rice, or fruit, your body breaks down the carbohydrates into glucose, which is then used to power your muscles, your brain, and every cell in your body. This is especially important if you're active, play sports, or just want to feel energized throughout the day. Athletes often carb load before big events for a reason. It gives them the energy they need to perform at their best. Even if you're not running a marathon, your body still needs carbs to get through your daily routine, from walking the dog to focusing at work or school. So, instead of fearing carbs, think of them as your body's best friend, always there to give you the boost you need. Here's another important fact. When you eat carbs, your body uses them for energy first, not for fat. That's right, carbs are the first thing your body burns when it needs fuel. Only when you eat more carbs than your body can use for energy do they get stored as fat. But this is true for any nutrient. Eat more than your body needs and the excess gets stored. So, eating a bowl of oatmeal before your morning run or enjoying a sandwich at lunch isn't going to make you gain weight. In fact, it can help you feel more energized, focused, and ready to take on the day. The key is to eat the right amount for your needs, and to choose carbs that are packed with nutrients like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. So what's the real problem when it comes to weight gain? It's not carbs alone, it's eating way more calories than you burn. This is true whether those calories come from carbs, fat, or protein. If you consistently eat more than your body needs, the extra energy gets stored as fat no matter where it comes from. That's why you can gain weight eating too much of anything, even healthy foods. The real culprit isn't bread, rice, or pasta, it's portion sizes, mindless snacking, and eating out of boredom or stress. Fast food, sugary drinks, and oversized portions can all add up quickly, leading to weight gain over time. But that doesn't mean you need to cut out carbs completely. Instead, focus on eating the right amount for your body and your activity level, and choose foods that nourish you and make you feel good. Think about it for a moment. People in Italy eat loads of pasta, bread, and pizza, and yet you don't see everyone ballooning overnight. In fact, many Mediterranean countries where bread and pasta are staples have some of the lowest rates of obesity and heart disease in the world. How is that possible? The answer lies in balance, lifestyle, and the types of foods they eat. Italians often enjoy their meals slowly, savoring each bite, and they pair their carbs with plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. They walk, bike, and stay active as part of their daily routine. It's not about cutting out carbs, it's about enjoying them as part of a balanced, active lifestyle. So the next time you see someone enjoying a plate of pasta in Italy, remember it's not the carbs that are the problem, it's how we eat them and what we pair them with. It's all about balance, not banning bread. You don't have to give up your favorite foods to be healthy or lose weight. In fact, trying to cut out entire food groups can backfire, leading to cravings, binge eating, and an unhealthy relationship with food. Instead, aim for balance. Fill your plate with a variety of foods: whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables. Enjoy bread with your meal, but pair it with a salad or some grilled chicken. Have pasta, but add some veggies and a drizzle of olive oil. When you eat a variety of foods, you get all the nutrients your body needs to feel its best. And you'll find that you're more satisfied, less likely to overeat, and able to enjoy your meals without guilt or stress. Plus, not all carbs are created equal. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are packed with good carbs, complex carbohydrates that provide lasting energy, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These foods help you feel full, boost your mood, and keep your brain sharp. Fiber, in particular, is a superstar nutrient that helps with digestion, keeps your blood sugar steady, and even supports a healthy gut. When you choose whole grain bread over white bread, or brown rice over white rice, you're giving your body more nutrients and more staying power. Fruits and veggies are also loaded with antioxidants and phytochemicals that protect your health and help you feel your best. So instead of cutting out carbs, focus on choosing the ones that nourish your body and keep you feeling great. Bottom line, don't blame the bagel. Bagels, bread, pasta, and other carb-rich foods are not the enemy. It's how much you eat, what you pair them with, and how active you are that really matters. You can absolutely enjoy a bagel for breakfast, a sandwich for lunch, or a bowl of pasta for dinner, and still reach your health and fitness goals. The key is to be mindful of your portions. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and make choices that support your overall well-being. Food is meant to be enjoyed, not feared. So, let's stop blaming carbs and start celebrating the delicious, nourishing foods that make life enjoyable. Here's the real truth. Carbs alone won't make you fat. Overeating anything can. Whether it's bread, cheese, nuts, or even salad dressing, eating more than your body needs will lead to weight gain over time. That's why portion control and mindful eating are so important. Pay attention to how much you're eating, savor each bite, and stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Try using smaller plates, serving yourself reasonable portions, and putting away leftovers before you start eating. These simple habits can help you enjoy your favorite foods without going overboard. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about making choices that work for you and your lifestyle. So go ahead, enjoy your toast. Whether you like it with butter, avocado, or a smear of peanut butter, toast can absolutely be part of a healthy, balanced breakfast. Pair it with some eggs, fruit, or yogurt for a meal that will keep you full and satisfied all morning. Breakfast is an important meal that sets the tone for your day. So don't skip it or settle for something you don't enjoy. Eating foods you love in portions that work for you is the key to long-term success and happiness with your eating habits. Just keep it balanced and you're golden. Remember, there's no need to fear carbs or cut out your favorite foods. Focus on balance, variety, and moderation, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you. Enjoy your meals, savor the flavors, and celebrate the foods that bring you joy. Life is too short to live in fear of bread. So, the next time you see a slice of toast, a bowl of pasta, or a fresh bagel, smile and know that you can enjoy it guilt-free. Here's to delicious, balanced eating and a life full of energy, happiness, and good health.